In this video, we will talk about 5 things you must eliminate from your home immediately, because they attract poverty and stagnation. It is crucial that you pay close attention to the information I am about to share, because if you feel stuck in a routine and everything you desire always seems out of reach, it is probably due to one or more of these 5 things. I will explain in detail what they are and why you should get rid of them. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like, and share our videos with everyone you love and wish a better life for. Comment below how open you are to receiving blessings from the universe and express your gratitude for everything. Let your words echo to infinity, attracting all that you desire. If you don't believe that your life can be transformed with the law of attraction, this video is not for you. Otherwise, watch until the end, because it's important that you understand everything I have to say to ensure the results you desire. First, it's important to understand that everything in the world is energy. From you to every object in your house, everything has an energetic vibration that can propel you forward or hold you back. When I realized this, I began to closely observe every item I owned and discovered that many had connections to my past. By eliminating them, I started to manifest miracles in my life that I had never imagined. Take a few minutes for yourself and pay attention, because this information is incredibly powerful. If you can apply it to your life, you will also see miracles happen. In this video, we will talk about 5 things you must eliminate from your home immediately, because they attract poverty and stagnation. It is crucial that you pay close attention to the information I am about to share, because if you feel stuck in a routine and everything you desire always seems out of reach, it is probably due to one or more of these 5 things. I will explain in detail what they are and why you should get rid of them. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like, and share our videos with everyone you love and wish a better life for. Comment below how open you are to receiving blessings from the universe and express your gratitude for everything. Let your words echo to infinity, attracting all that you desire. If you don't believe that your life can be transformed with the law of attraction, this video is not for you. Otherwise, watch until the end, because it's important that you understand everything I have to say to ensure the results you desire. First, it's important to understand that everything in the world is energy. From you to every object in your house, everything has an energetic vibration that can propel you forward or hold you back. When I realized this, I began to closely observe every item I owned and discovered that many had connections to my past. By eliminating them, I started to manifest miracles in my life that I had never imagined. Take a few minutes for yourself and pay attention, because this information is incredibly powerful. If you can apply it to your life, you will also see miracles happen. The 5 things I will detail now are related to the principle of vibration. Let's start with the first thing you should eliminate from your house: clothes you no longer wear. When you buy a piece of clothing, it carries a specific energy that matches the situation you were in at the time. Think about it. You've probably experienced buying clothes you loved and wore all the time, but then for some reason, you just stopped wearing them. Do you know why? It's because you have changed. We are always growing and evolving, and what you liked before might not fit who you are now. The clothes you no longer wear hold the energy of your past, which no longer matches your current energy. Keeping these clothes can hold you back and stop you from moving forward, so it's important to clear out your closet and only keep clothes that make you feel happy, comfortable, and confident when you look in the mirror. The clothes you no longer wear can be donated if they are still in good condition, or thrown away if they are not. Before you get rid of these clothes, take a moment to do something important. Hold each piece of clothing in your hands and say thank you for the memories and the time you shared together. This is because each piece of clothing has energy and needs to complete its cycle with a proper goodbye. When you wore those clothes, they certainly brought wonderful moments into your life. Saying thank you helps you release that energy and make room for new positive energy to come into your life. By doing this, you can create a fresh start and invite new, exciting experiences into your life. The second thing that blocks your energy is broken objects. This includes anything from a kitchen utensil to a decorative item like a vase, a mirror, a painting, or any other item in your house. Remember, your home is your temple, and it is essential to take good care of it. When you have broken objects in your home, they can disrupt the flow of positive energy. A broken plate, a chipped vase, or a cracked mirror might seem harmless, but these items carry negative vibrations that can affect your overall well-being. Instead of trying to fix these broken items by gluing the parts together, it is better to let them go. Once something is broken, it loses its original integrity and energy, becoming a blocker of positive energy. Just like you did with clothes you no longer wear, say goodbye to broken objects with gratitude. Thank them for the service they provided and for the role they played in your life. Acknowledge the moments and memories associated with them, and then discard them responsibly. This act of gratitude helps in releasing any residual energy the object might hold and creates space for new positive energy to flow into your home. When you remove broken objects from your living space, you will notice a significant difference. Your home will feel more harmonious and welcoming. The energy will flow freely and you will feel a renewed sense of peace and clarity. It is important to regularly check your home for any broken items and address them promptly. By maintaining a clutter-free and well-maintained home, you create an environment that supports your well-being and personal growth. Your home reflects your state of mind, so keeping it free from broken objects is a simple yet powerful step towards enhancing the positive energy in your life. Embrace this practice and experience the transformation it brings to your living space and your overall sense of happiness and balance. The third thing to consider is your dirty or worn-out shoes. This lesson comes from one of my greatest metaphysics teachers, who taught me that the journey of your life is reflected in the shoes you wear. Your shoes are not just functional, they carry energy and can influence your life's path. That's why it's essential to keep them clean and in good condition. When you come home, make it a habit to clean your shoes. This simple act prevents any negative or external energy they may have picked up from entering your home, which I like to think of as your temple. Think about it. If your shoes are worn out and dirty, do you want that energy to create a broken path in your life? Probably not. Keeping your shoes in good shape is like ensuring your journey is smooth and positive. If your shoes are beyond repair and too worn out, it's best to replace them with new ones. New shoes not only support your physical comfort, but also symbolize a fresh start and a clear path forward. Your shoes bear the weight of your body every day, absorbing all the energy from your environment as you move through your daily routine. That's a big responsibility, so it's important to show them some love and care. Maintaining clean and good condition shoes is a small yet impactful habit. When you take the time to clean your shoes regularly, you're not just taking care of an accessory. You're nurturing the journey of your life. It's a simple daily routine that brings positive energy into your home and helps you step forward with confidence and clarity. So next time you come home, take a moment to clean your shoes. Check them for wear and tear. And if they need to be replaced, do so without hesitation. By doing this, you ensure that your life's journey remains unhindered and positive. Remember, a clean and well-maintained pair of shoes is more than just a fashion statement. It's a reflection of your life's path and the energy you carry. The fourth thing you should not have in your house requires special attention because most people usually hold on to these items. I am talking about objects and clothes that belong to people who are no longer with you, those who have passed away. While it's natural to want to keep memories alive, it's important to remember that memories should remain in your mind and heart. The rest is just energy tied to the past. If someone is no longer present in your life, let them go. Allow their spirit to continue its journey without holding on to their belongings. Keeping these items can cause emotional stagnation in your home, blocking new and positive energy from flowing in. Instead, focus on having things that are part of your present life. The past is already gone. It no longer exists in the physical world. As the saying goes, let the dead bury their own dead. By releasing these objects, you create space for new memories and experiences that align with your current self. This doesn't mean you forget the people you've lost. It simply means you honor them by letting go and moving forward. Keeping your living space free from past energies helps maintain a fresh and vibrant environment, allowing you to thrive and welcome positive changes into your life. The fifth and last thing you should eliminate is clutter. The energy in your house must flow freely. The lighter your environment is, the more energy will circulate. Try to keep your house organized, open the windows to let air and sunlight in, and do not leave anything in the way. Try to perfume your house with beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart. Make your bed every morning and thank it for providing you with rest. Remember, it is also energy. Try to make your house as harmonious as possible. It's not about luxury, but about energy in motion. With a clean and harmonious house, when you start applying these 5 points I gave you, you will feel a significant change. You will feel lighter and see how situations in your life start to resolve. Let the energy flow, and your life will improve completely. Don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. One day, a great metaphysics teacher told me, if you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die. Clean your house, eliminate all that negative energy that no longer resonates with you, and soon you will see miracles happen. As I conclude this video, remember that the state of our home greatly impacts our energy and overall well-being. It's incredible how simple changes in our surroundings can have a profound effect on our lives. By getting rid of things like clothes you no longer wear, broken objects, and items associated with loved ones who have passed away, we create space for positive energy to flow freely. This reminds us that everything around us carries energy. It's like a dance between our environment and our own energy. When we consciously choose to surround ourselves with things that align with our present selves, we open the doors for incredible transformations. We reinforce the power of gratitude as we say goodbye to our belongings. It's a way to honor the role they played in our lives and embrace the new chapter that awaits us. Additionally, it's rewarding to eliminate clutter and create space for things we truly love and resonate with. Creating a harmonious and vibrant living space is not about perfection or expensive decoration. It's about infusing our home with positive vibrations. Whether it's by opening windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, adding beautiful plants, or simply keeping everything organized, these small but impactful steps invite miracles into our lives. It's like a domino effect. As we align our physical environment with our energy, we begin to experience positive changes and a sense of lightness. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery and intentional living. Therefore, I encourage you to take action and embark on this journey of creating a space that nurtures your spirit and fuels your progress. See how these changes reflect in other areas of your life. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and by harmonizing its energy, you are setting the stage for amazing things to happen. Let's embrace the power of our environment, let positive energy flow, and witness the magic unfold in our lives. If you enjoyed the information I shared, leave a comment, like the video, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel Buddhism Secrets to keep learning. Until the next video, may God always bless you. Thank you very much.